Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors, and we're here to showcase our 72 by 96 Miracle double flat door. This is one of our house special designs. My dad designed this a couple years back. This door is 72 inches by 96 inches with Loy glass, oil rub bronze, and a right hand in swing, which means this door opens up first. So it's something my dad did a while back. We had great success with this design. Features all the scroll work. It's got these bands around the scroll work, and it goes all the way down without a kick plate. This is another one of our doors that we used 4-inch tubes on each side to make the glass look bigger. Awesome door. We love this thing, and hope you guys can enjoy it too. I'm gonna flip this around and show you guys the back end of it. All right guys, we're on the back end of the Miracle door. I'll show you guys how the glass opens. You can flick these knobs over, open the glass up. Some people like to use it for ventilation, but it's really there to actually clean the glass and clean the scroll work. On the custom order, you can custom make this door with the screen, and you can get some ventilation if you like. Hope you guys enjoyed this showcase. My name is Dion Durr, Pinky's Iron Doors. You can contact us at info@pinkysirondoors.com, or you can call us at 844-843-6677. Thank you.